Ever since pandemic, there are a handful of ingredients that I'm incredibly picky about. Olive oil, butter, salt, and watermelon. But back to the olive oil. We're looking at the Benissimo Signature Selection 4-pack. It comes with extra virgin olive oil, a non-GMO avocado oil, basil and sun-dried tomato oil, and a delicious roasted garlic oil that I use on everything, especially on vegetables. So I've been looking for an excuse to try a dessert that I've seen trending on social media. Actually, that's a lie. I never need an excuse for dessert. It's called olive oil ice cream, and it contains ingredients you wouldn't think would work together, but I had to try it for myself, and what better way than with Benissimo's high-quality extra virgin olive oil. So one of the things I love most about Benissimo oils is that they let me turn simple dishes into gourmet dishes with minimal effort. And their 4-pack inspires me to whip up new dishes that I haven't even tried before, just like this unique and, let's be honest, kind of a weird ice cream dessert. Is this going to work? I'm very skeptical. A scoop or 2 or 3 of good quality vanilla ice cream, a light drizzle of the olive oil, a sprinkling of Maldon sea salt, and some chopped almonds to top it all off. All right, brand new experience for me. I love each of these ingredients separately, so what will I think of them all together? What? It's salty, it's sweet, it's creamy, it's nutty, it's got a little that olive oil grassiness to it, but it's smooth, it just works. The sea salt is smoky because I'm using Maldon sea salt, smoked Maldon sea salt. Highly recommend this. This is my new favorite dessert. Now, will fruit work with it? I think strawberries would work really well. Figs and honey. Oh my gosh. Next time, I'm going to do vanilla ice cream with some fresh figs and drizzle of honey as well as the olive oil. I dare you to get yourself a bottle of Benissimo and try this if you haven't already. You're gonna love it.